this hair out of the braid. You guys can finally see how long it is. Goes all the way down like that. It's been in this braid for about 2 days now, and today marks a week and a day of me having it in, so I figured I would come on camera and show you guys how it looks after 1 week. And a few of those days it was in a braid. I just didn't have time for the 30 inches. It served its purpose. Like, it was fun at the party. I look like a baddie. I got my pictures. I really do like this bang. So right now I was able to flat iron the bang, so it does take heat, and it was like bumped, but I haven't even bumped the bang for a week, and this is how it looks. So I'm about to do that. I don't know why I kept this in this braid for days at a time. I really was just getting lazy with it, but honestly, you guys, this hairstyle was worth the $33 that it cost. Like, I'm gonna put a video in, like I said at the beginning when I was first doing it. I'm gonna put a video of how it looked. Actually, I think this is probably gonna be the next video. Okay, so if you watch the other video, you see how flowy and silky it was. But I've got pushed in the pool with this hair. It bounced back pretty quickly. It dried pretty quickly. But I just want y'all to know that while I'm like taking it out of this braid that has been in for the past 2 days. Really 3 maybe. 3 days at a time just in a braid. No hair is gonna do super well with that. But this is, you know, to be synthetic hair, I am really impressed with how this is going. Of course, I'm gonna have to brush it out after it's been in a braid, but you guys saw the flow of it, and it still looks very natural. It kind of picked up a little of that wave, but I think it's gonna comb right out back to its straight state. Yeah, it is. It's going back straight, which I expected for synthetic fiber is not just gonna hold a wave. But if I did want it to be wavy, I guess I would have to have it in for a few days in a braid, and you can achieve a little bit of a wave. Because it definitely has a little bit of a wave to it. This is so cute. With my makeup down, I look cute. This wasn't giving me any problems to comb through it, even after I got pushed in the pool that day. But I basically threw it up into a braid for damn near a week. It might have been more than 3 days now that I'm thinking about it, because I went to work all week with it in a braid, and I only redid the braid 1 time this week. So you guys can see that. I guess I should comb it from this direction too. But this is still really pretty, and the bang just pressed right back out again. Like, I didn't have any problem putting heat on it even after a week. want you guys to see the real nitty gritty of, because if it was human hair, I'd still have to probably detangle a little bit from just sleeping on the braid. I wasn't wrapping it up or anything, like just going. And to be like submerged in chlorine, human hair wouldn't do too well with that either. Somebody pushed me in the pool. I did not get all this hair wet on purpose, but that's a whole nother story. Cause child, somebody's son almost lost their life for pushing me in that water with all of this hair. 2 days after I did it, I was highly upset, but it did not suffer so much. So okay, so this still looks beautiful. Like, it looks very natural. It looks like a black woman's flat iron texture hair in 30 inches of goodness. I'm gonna turn it on. Yep, this is still cute. My click weave is holding on. And now I'm gonna go out just like this. So you guys, after a week, I would definitely recommend this hair. It does just as good as its wavy and curly counterparts that I've worn. This is the straight version, and I can actually flat iron it. Let's do a small piece. Oh yeah, that y'all can see. It's the piece that I just flat ironed, and it still has all its movement, all its body. So I could flat iron the whole thing, but I actually don't care to. I like that it looks a little thicker from, and this is 3 packs, you guys. Still has a lot of body movement after a full week. So I think I can get 2 weeks of wear out of this. That'll be good. See you guys on the next video. Thanks for tuning in.